Adams Polish's interior scrubbing sponge is one of those tools that will change the game of your interior cleaning. Now, this interior scrubbing sponge is essentially a combination of our current interior scrubbing mitt and a gray microfiber applicator. It's having the two sides to utilize both different technologies. So one, you get the scrubbing side, the other, you get the soft applicator side that you can utilize for leather conditioner and other things like that. Now, today I'm going to be using the leather and interior cleaner, which is a very, very effective deep cleaning product. And then I'm going to make sure that I go over it with the leather conditioner. Now, just so you know, the interior scrubbing sponge also works really well with the total interior cleaner. Now, one of my favorite places to use the interior scrubbing sponge is actually on the steering wheel or climate controls. And these fibers allow it to get in to kind of the nooks and crannies and really do a thorough cleaning. I don't necessarily have to spray the cleaner like into the nooks and crannies. I can spray it directly into the interior scrubbing sponge, and then I can just wipe it away and we're good to go. We can apply the leather conditioner on all the leather, the vinyl, and the hard surfaces of the car. Now, the other thing that's hard to clean on your interior is the windshield. Put some Brilliant Glaze on there, apply it to the windshield, let it haze, wipe it off, and your windshield is going to be looking better than new.